All right, all right. You know who it is. It's JL, the anti-guru, and it is Mo Money Monday. Monday. And you know how we do it. We start off with a little music, and let's turn down this music a little bit. All right, let's get right into it. What I'm going to do is a review, and I want to apologize for not coming on so late. I had some technical difficulties. I couldn't get my camera to open up. I don't know what the problem is, but we're here, we're live, and we're going to do a review of everything that I've been doing, everything that I've been teaching for the last 3 or 4 days about copywriting. So basically what I'm going to do today is just kind of go over everything that I've been teaching in the last 3 or 4 lessons and whatnot. So first of all, you know, copywriting is important. It is one of the #1 things that you need to try to master when you are working online, or even if you're offline and you have a brick and mortar business. Copywriting is very important because it can determine how successful you are. So let's jump right into it. You know, copywriting is, you know, people love to buy. Sales copy helps them buy from you. The words change. However, the intent never changes, because the intent is for you to motivate people to buy from you. What you have to do is you have to speak to their hopes, their fears, their dreams, their desires, because that's what motivates people. What's going on, Andrea? Appreciate you coming on. Happy Tuesday from the Gold Coast of Australia. We're going to get to Australia one day. I don't know when that's going to be, but we're going to get there. Number 4, anyone can get good at sales copy. The way to do that is you have to practice. You have to focus, and you have to practice. Lesson number 2, have a strong why for why people will buy from you. If you want to, and what you're going to do, what you need to do is go back and check out my other lives where I've gone over some of these things, because I'm doing just a review to go over everything that I've taught for the last week or so. Commit to the 5 reasons why people buy, and you will need to commit those things to memory. And those things are make money, save time. I had a brain fart. Save effort, move away. Oh my God, what is it? Let's see. Let's go back. That's bad, because I'm supposed to be committing these things to memory, and I haven't done it myself. But you know, save money, make money, save time, avoid effort, and escape mental and physical pain. Those are the five reasons. Five reasons why people buy. There are actually 10 reasons, but I only alluded to the first 5. Use as many as you can of those 5 reasons in your copy. Don't always use make money and save money. You know, if you get caught in that cycle, you know, there's, like I say, there's three other reasons. Save time, avoid effort, and avoid physical and mental pain. And then you need to be creative in the way that you use these reasons. Okay. The next
one message coming in on secured channel.
Priority one message. Now, if you don't know, I'm a Trekkie, so I have all of my alerts are Star Trek based. You need to get creative in the way that you use these 5 ways. So you need to definitely commit those things to memory and become creative with those things. You know, because there's 5 reasons, there are actually 10, but if you go with those first 5, that'll give you plenty of ways to use yourself creatively and think creatively into how you can use those in your sales copy. Number 4, or number 3, should I say? Nobody cares about you. I know you think you're the bomb.com, but nobody cares about what you're doing. Let's get real with that. Nobody cares. You need to make your sales copy all about your customers, your clients, and your potential your prospects. Wow, I'm having a difficult time today, guys. So you need to go back through your sales copy and look for the words, and the words that you need to eliminate is I, me, my, we, and ours. If you have those in your sales copy, you need to change that over and make sure that you make your sales copy about your prospects, your customers, and anyone that you're trying to talk to, because people don't care about what you're doing, about what's going on with you. All they care about is what's in it for me. You know, they care about how you're going to satisfy their needs, solve their problems, calm their fears, and allow them to get to their desires. Okay, number 4, copywriting is the most valuable skill that you can cultivate. Let me say that again. Copywriting is the most important skill that you need to cultivate. I don't care whether you're online, offline, it doesn't matter. And here's the reason why. You know, whether you are writing your own sales copy or you hire somebody to write your sales copy, you need to know what good sales copy is. And if you don't know what that is, and let's just keep it real. If you are outsourcing your copywriting and you pay someone $250, $500, $1,000, $5,000, because those are all realistic numbers that you can be charged for copywriting, you need to know whether it's good or not. So you need to have a basic understanding of what good sales copy is versus what bad sales copy is. Because I want to tell you a story. I had a friend, and it's not really about sales copy, but what she did was she hired somebody to build her website, and she didn't know the first thing about creating an e-commerce, because it was an e-commerce website. And when she showed it to me and I took a look at it, oh, excuse me, you know, the shopping cart didn't work, the pages were loading slow, and she paid this guy $1,500 to create her a e-commerce website, and it was just straight garbage. But that's the kind of lessons that you learn sometimes when you don't have a basic understanding of what's going on, and it definitely relates to sales copy. Okay, so you need to develop a copywriting mindset, and what that means is that when you're out and about in the day, you know, look at their sales copy all around you. One of the best places to look for sales copy is You know, if you are in the grocery store and you're in the checkout line, they got all kinds of magazines, you know, National Enquirer, all these kinds of things. They have headlines, and that's sales copy to get, because the number one reason you need to perfect your sales copy is sales copy allows you to stop people in what they're doing and take a look at what you're talking about. Because if you don't get people to stop out of their busy day, whether they're um, looking at emails, they're on social media, or whatever it is that they're doing, if they don't stop and take a look, oh, excuse me, I'm not sleepy. But here's the thing. One of the things about when you yawn, you're not really sleepy. What your body is telling you is it needs more oxygen. So I guess I need more oxygen. Um, the other thing is you need to master headlines, because that has the biggest impact on whatever it is that you're promoting, whether you're promoting offline or online. You need to learn how to write really good headlines, because that's the most important thing. It stops people in their tracks and creates curiosity and tells them, okay, hey, I want to take a look at this. The other thing is number three, never stop learning. Observe and test the copy that you've already written, because you can get some sales copy that's working really good, but as time goes on, that sales copy may not work. So you need to constantly um, test that copy against new copy to see what will work for you. Because the most important parts of sales copy is headlines and bullet points. So you need to spend the majority of your time working on headlines and bullet points. Never, and here's the thing, never post anything on social media without some type of headline. You know, because once you have these headlines and you find that something that works for you, again, you need to test it, you need to refine it, because this is an ongoing process. You know, sales copy can change from one era to another depending upon who you're talking to. You know, it all depends on what kind of product or service you're trying to provide. Oh, excuse me. And so you need to constantly test that sales copy. If you find some copy that works, okay, tweak it a little bit. You know, change some things here and there, because the solution or the great thing about that is that you can get some sales copy that's working, but if you tweak it a little bit, you might even be able to increase your effectiveness by 200, 300, 500%. And especially when you're doing paid advertising, that's when you really want to tweak that sales copy and make sure that you're getting the maximum results for what you're doing. And put that over there. So that's really pretty much all that I have for you. I just wanted to go over and review what I've been going through over the last 3 or 4 lessons, the last 4 trainings. What I would advise you to do is go to my page, JL Bumbrey 411 Marketing, and check out those training videos so that you can get a better understanding of what I'm talking to, because I just went over this stuff briefly, and I go into detail on each and every section that I've talked about, you know. But again, if you want to, and I advise you, reading is essential. If you are interested in picking up this book right here, Copywriting Secrets by Jim Edwards, everything that I have shared with you came right out of this book. So if you're interested in picking up a copy of this book, you can get it 100% free. All you have to do is pay shipping. Just click on that link that's getpaidwithjl.com /copy-secrets. That'll take you straight to the book where you can order that book and get that for yourself. I think the shipping on it is $8.95. But this book right here, guys, I'm telling you, I just went through it and read it all the way through. As you can see, the foreword was by Russell Brunson, who is the creator of ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is one of the best capture page programs that's out there. You really need, if you don't have ClickFunnels, you need to get ClickFunnels. And also, one more thing before I forget, if you want to because the other thing that I'm going to offer you is there is a software called Funnel Scripts that will actually write copy for you. All you have to do is answer a few questions in the software, and it will pump out copywriting for you. Now, basically, this is like a template, and that will, if you have trouble writing copy, this is a great piece of software for you. So if you're interested in at least trying that copywriting software out, you can go to getpaidwithjl.com/copywriting. So that's all that I have for you today. Thursday will be on again at 7 o'clock p.m. That's Eastern Standard Time, no matter what time zone you're in. Most of the time when we go Thoughtful Thursdays, we talk about mindset and whatnot. But and I don't know exactly what I'm going to teach on Thursday, but it always will be something to expand your mind, help you to grow, because that's what this is all about. So I've been on here about almost 16 minutes, 17 minutes. I try to stay right at about 15 minutes. One other thing before I forget, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, that is JL Bumbrey. If you haven't liked my page on Facebook, that is JL Bumbrey slash 411 marketing, so that you get notifications when I go live on these training videos. So again, it is the first day of the week. Let's start off the week. Let's crush it. You know I love you, and we'll see you on Thursday. Peace. We love you today. All right.